Meaning of ethical.
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 Ethical. Ethical refers to a set of principles or values that guide the behavior of individuals or groups in society. It involves making decisions and taking actions that are morally right and justifiable, and that respect the rights and dignity of all individuals. Ethical behavior requires one to act with integrity, honesty, fairness, and responsibility. It also involves being aware of the potential impact one's actions may have on others and on society as a whole. In essence, ethics provides a framework for individuals to navigate complex situations and make decisions that align with their values and societal norms.